Hello, my name is Natalie Flores. I'm a pre-service teacher and welcome to my first video tutorial. Today, I'll be explaining and talking about a very engaging and dynamic writing task, which is the job application letter. I've been working with my 11th grade students in Unit 1, which is related to jobs. In this opportunity, we will analyze first the activity, that means the steps, the procedures, and all the resources that we need to use. And second, the why, which is what's the importance of the application letter and the importance of writing itself. So let's get started with the activity. The main objective here is that students will be able to write and critique job application letters. But first, let's contextualize a bit and see the previous knowledge they have. The students previously read an article which is called How to Write a Job Application Letter, and you can find it in the Ministry of Education English book for 11th grade students. So in this article, they saw tips to write it effectively, how to get started, which at times is the most difficult part, the general guidelines, and finally, what to include in each section. Here you can see the article and all of its parts, and feel free to come and take a closer look at it at any time. Now we will move to what are we going to do next. So, very easily explained, students will make groups of 4. Each group will receive a job advertisement, and the task is to write the perfect job application letter for that specific job position, having in mind all the previous knowledge from the unit and particularly our article. So once they finish, all the letters and the ads will rotate. And now the group who receives the letter will act as the bosses. So they must read both the letter and the job ad and decide whether they get or not the job based on the following guideline. The rotation will continue in order to make every group rate all the letters and allow the class to reach the consensus on which group was most accepted at the job by their bosses. So here we can see some examples of job advertisements that the students can use. And now we will see how will the groups particularly decide. First, they must do a peer review and check different items such as capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Then, they must check the letters that the letter has all the necessary parts. That means a heading, a salutation, a complimentary clause, and the signature. And last but not least, they need to check the body and the content. For example, does the applicant mention the job he's applying for? His work experience, his strengths and willingness to work in that job position? And how are they going to examine all of these 3 criteria? By simply remarking from 1 to 10. So, number 2, why? Why are we doing this activity? Why is it so important? And there are 2 main reasons. The first one has to do with writing. Students are working with this sometimes complex and challenging skill in a very dynamic way. So we are motivating them to think of writing differently. And second is because it enhances more abilities. That means that we're not just making the students write and check their writing, but also allowing them to practice group work, time management, peer review, and to expand their knowledge not only in writing, but in also many different life skills. Now let's see what the experts say about this. First, regarding group work, Blatchford, Kutnick, Baines, and Galton in 2003 stated that by group work we mean pupils working together as a group or a team. The teacher may be involved at times, but the particular feature of group work, perhaps its defining characteristic, is the balance of ownership and control of the work shifts toward the pupils themselves. So this is very important in 11th grade because students are expected to be autonomous in their learning. Now, Second, regarding writing, in 2007, Rao stated that writing stimulates thinking, compels students to concentrate and organize their ideas, and cultivates their ability to summarize, analyze, and criticize. On the other hand, it reinforces learning in, thinking in, and reflecting on the English language. So this reinforces the idea that we're not just making them write, but there are also many other skills that are being developed at the same time. And finally, regarding the activity itself, in 2014, Giuliani recognized an issue that ESL teachers face is to teach the job application letter, and that it's also difficult for students to write it. Therefore, since the importance of the skillfulness of writing job application letter for vocational high school students, it is needed many kinds of methods, techniques, or strategies to teach it. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and that now teaching to write the job application letter is no longer an issue for any of you. I'll see you in my next episode.